Consumers expect baked goods to have a certain appearance. At Konica Minolta Sensing, we understand the important role color plays in the perception of quality and freshness. The new BC-10 Plus Baking Contrast Meter is an accurate and reliable colorimeter designed to measure the color and contrast of baked, fried, and processed foods. Food manufacturing continues to be a competitive business. With this in mind, we have increased baking contrast accuracy using improved sensors and a scratch-resistant window. With the redesigned BC-10 Plus, you will establish and meet color specifications, maintain consistency, and monitor the baking and production process. To operate, simply turn on the instrument and power 3 different ways using an AC adapter, AA batteries, and a USB cable. Now, perform white tile calibration. Place the instrument onto your product and press the measurement button. It's that easy. Average measurements of several samples or multiple readings of a single sample may be needed. You can average your results with just a touch of a button. BCU, or baking contrast units, measure the lightness and darkness of baked goods. There is little effect on baking contrast units when a sample is covered with seeds, oats, or other toppings. In LAB mode, the BC-10 Plus will display lightness and colorimetric coordinates. These measurement modes are used to evaluate color characteristics and identify inconsistencies. Instantly review results on the instrument and upload readings to a computer, printer, or a storage device. Measure directly from your computer using BC-10 Plus CRX app software. With increased memory, you can also store 1,000 data sets, including target data. You can then copy and paste your readings into Excel with a copy to clipboard feature. Konica Minolta Sensing's new BC-10 Plus Baking Contrast Meter will help you control the color of baked, fried, or processed foods and meet standards with increased accuracy. For more information, please